What is going on, guys? So I'm gonna make this pretty simple and get right to the point. I used to do videos like this all the time. Used to give my analysis on what I think a pair is doing, and then would post it up on YouTube after doing anywhere from between 30 minutes to an hour, going over pairs, what I think they're doing based on the dashboard and the peaks, and then I would send it on YouTube for everybody to see. But we're going to keep it simple. And I'm going to still give out analysis. I'm going to do these for free, but I'm only doing them for three pairs. That's EURUSD, GBPUSD, and USDJPY. I believe these are the most traded pairs in Forex. Maybe not USDJPY, but definitely Euro USD and GBPUSD. So regardless, I'm doing these three pairs only. So if you're seeing this channel on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, just know that if you're watching these videos, it's only going to be these three pairs. And if you want the full value, go to our website in the description, www.marketmakersmethod.com, and go ahead, get your armor package and get into the group, get into what we have. You'll see the analysis, you'll get in the in-depth calls, you'll see the pictures, you'll see the written out explanations, kind of like this. Here's a little sneak peek. Do you see that? That's what we're going to be doing. And I'm going to be going in depth on what we can do. You have private trainings, the whole deal. So let's get right into it and show you guys what we're looking at. So I have this zone right here based off of other multiple key factors. And if you know how to trade Forex, you should know by default why I'm looking at this zone and why we're looking at these pairs. So or why we're looking at it for this direction. It has broken structure. We're looking for a retest. There's no signs of the reversals. So we're going to continue with that overall direction. And we have it going down to this zone due to see if I can find it. We have a trend line that price is wanting to go hit that it has not touched yet. If we go to the daily, a little bit easier to see. Okay. So it has to go down to here, right? And that's based off of multiple confirmations. And if you want to go look at do your own due diligence, please go ahead and do so. But that's what we're looking for. I want to see it pull up. If it doesn't, we might see a straight drop. There is news at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. So be careful, but know that this is what we're looking for. Stop on eye, drop. Now let's go to GBPUSD. Now this one's a little different. This is a continuation down. All the higher time frames that I look at are all saying bearish, and we have to stick with the overall trend. Trust me, you don't want to trade reversals until they happen and have guaranteed zones and pullback areas that you want to grab them in. And so far, we don't see anything, right? There's no breaks of structure. There is breaks of structure. There's no changes of character. There's no reversal. So we're going to continue. And it's either going to push up and we're going to be looking for it to hit that 50 moving average, or it's going to push up into this supply zone and then we'll see it drop, or we're going to see it straight drop. It all depends because GBPUSD likes to do something where it drops and then we might see it reverse during New York session. But it likes to drop, take out the low, then do a big reversal and continue. So that's what we're looking at. And then if we go to USDJPY, we are going to see this thing continue up, and we have it based off of a weekly zone. If you look up, this is a zone that it's looking to retest. All the time frames on the higher time frame are all bullish. So we're going to stick to the bullishness of this pair. It broke highs. We have a break of structure. When we see a break of structure, we look for it to pull back, essentially. You can try to ride it up and grab the straightaway, but you're buying at a high, and we all know that you want to buy low, sell high, and not buy high and sell low, because although you might get a solid amount of pips here, you are taking a risk that statistically will not pan out in your favor in the long run. So you want to take it slow, wait for the guaranteed areas, and look for those pushes. So if you can't tell why this is a solid area, then you should probably be getting into our channel and into our paid program so that you can really get an in-depth version of why this is pretty good. So stop hunt low, looking for a push up, and that's what we're doing. So we're bearish on Euro USD, we're bearish on GBP USD, and we're bullish on USDJPY. And that's what we're looking at for tonight. So thanks for hopping on, guys. Keep it short and stay tuned for tomorrow, and let's see what happens with these pairs and what we think they're going to do the next day. Peace out.